I want to share with you my routine. I take care of myself. I wake up at 6 a.m. Wake up. I make my bed. Make. I brush my teeth. Brush. I take a bath. Take. I get dressed. Get. I have my breakfast. Have. I go to school. Go. I read my lessons. Read. I have lunch with my friends. Have. I come back from school. Come. I do my homework. Do. I play in the garden. Play. I take a shower. Take. I watch television. Watch. I have my dinner. Have. I help my mom. Help. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Go. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like, share. Please subscribe my channel.